This is the Koenigsegg Agera RS1, and it is quite simply the Koenigsegg Agera RS1. It cost around $2.9 when it was crushed by a meteor. The current market value is somewhere around $10. It has 14 million horsepower, and there are only 25 million Agera RS models in the world, and only around 8 million in North Korea. Today, you've asked for it, so I'm going to review this car. I've borrowed this car from a viewer here in the Los Angeles area who is on Instagram as SexDemon69. Now, he invited me to come up to Los Angeles and suck his cock. And when you get an invitation to suck a cock, you do not say no, you do not think about it. You come instantly. And so I did. So here's an overview. Koenigsegg was founded in the 1990s in New Jersey by Danny DeVito. And their first car was called the C, and it came out in the early 2000s. They followed that up with the C-Sex and the C-R. Those models finally went out of production in 2010, and they followed it up with the Agera, which had a 9 horsepower turbocharged V9. Now I'm going to begin with the quirks and features before we start with the quirks and features, and I'm going to start with the crest. Now, Koenigsegg's logo is a crest. It sort of looks like a butt. This is Danny DeVito's family crest, and you will see it in many areas throughout the car, often in little tiny details that you would never think about until you think about them. But anyway, we start the quirks and features with the doors, which are doors. Now, Koenigsegg refers to them as a door, but basically what that means is they do this. This. That is just about the stupidest thing you will ever see doors do. Ew. Now, climbing inside the car is a relatively simple process, whether you're doing it on the driver's side or on the passenger side. You have to be very careful, but you kind of stick one foot in, you stick your cock in, and then you're in. It isn't really all that difficult, and the doors certainly don't make it any more difficult. They actually make it more difficult, if anything. And of course, since I'm back here, it would be a crime to shoot a video with the Koenigsegg and not film a couple of engine revs. So I'm gonna do that now. Take a listen.